freeze, 10 fixes. 1. Update or roll back GPU driver. Install the latest stable NVIDIA or AMD graphics driver. If the crash is started after a driver update, test the previous stable driver. Part 2. Verify game files. Steam, Library, right-click the game, Properties, Installed files, verify integrity of game files. Wait for the process to finish completely. 3. Clear DirectX shader cache. Open Windows settings, system, storage, temporary files. Remove DirectX shader cache, then restart your PC. 4. Disable all overlays. Temporarily disable Steam overlay, Discord overlay, NVIDIA AMD overlay, Xbox Game Bar, and MSI Afterburner Rivatuner. 5. Try DX11 mode. If the game supports DX11, switch from DX12 to DX11 through the game's settings or launch options. Test whether the instant crash disappears. Task number 6. Reset graphics settings. Reset the game's graphics configuration to default, then launch the game with lower settings before increasing them again. 7. Remove GPU overclock. Return your GPU to stock default settings. Temporarily disable overclocking and undervolting while troubleshooting. 8. Repair Windows files. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scanow. After the scan completes, restart Windows. 9. Lower demanding graphics settings. Reduce ray tracing, shadows, textures, effects, and global illumination. Also set a reasonable FPS limit instead of unlimited FPS. 10. Reinstall the game. If DX12 still crashes or freezes after the previous fixes, reinstall the affected game. After reinstalling, test it using default graphics settings first.